Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Virgos. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. And I have a special fairy tale, a pick a card love reading after this general energy, guys, Virgos. So if you are interested to watch that, you can watch it after the general reading. So let's start with these cards. We have Queen of Cups in reverse, Queen of Wands and Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, you are a person who is really dedicated to whatever you do. So in your life, in your career or in your personal life, whatever work you take up or whatever choices you have taken up, you feel really responsible and you work with that dedication and determination to make it go right in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, whatever decisions that you have made in your life, it may be in your career or it may be something in your personal life. So those choices you would have believed it to go in a particular way, but those choices are not going as expected. So some kind of difficulty, worries and stress because of that. And I also see that maybe with this person or in your career you may have someone, uh, you would have relied on someone, but today you feel that you cannot trust them anymore. So maybe the words they speak or the way they behave gives you that impression today that you cannot trust this person or this person you are in a connection with. So they are maybe they are interested in someone else, guys. So you may feel that way by the way they behave or by the words they speak. Maybe they are telling you something about a meeting with someone or a party where you were not invited. So something has come up that is giving you this doubt or some kind of confusion in your love situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Seven of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card for your relationship, guys, it may be with this person you have that anxiety. Uh, maybe in some circumstance you would have felt embarrassed because of the way they are treating you, and maybe that would have given you the feeling um that this person is not in love with you or they are not concerned about what you truly feel. So they are here maybe just to have you as a pastime or just as a friend or just as a casual fling. So they are not seriously concerned about you or about this love you both maybe whatever you have visioned for yourself and that person, maybe they do not share your vision. So that may be the reason for some kind of embarrassments, the way they treat you. So Virgos, that is what I see with this card for your career situation, guys. It is Eight of Swords. So some kind of troubles in your situation, guys. So you are simply confused, you don't know which way to go. Maybe you feel really powerless and trapped by your circumstance. Maybe some project delays or suspensions. No matter how hard you try, you are trying really hard. You are a devoted and responsible person. But even then, all your efforts and your time energy it is not giving you the expected results, guys. So some kind of stress or sadness because of that, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your daily reading. If you want to watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading, that is coming up right now, guys. Stay tuned for that. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. So we have two cards from the fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale. So you can think about your situation for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. Choose whichever card comes first, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, now let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is for those who have chosen this card. It is the Light Princess and Grounded. So with this card, guys, the energy, this card just means you need to be grounded and you must take steps to reconnect. Maybe in your situation today, maybe you are escaping maybe from something, facing some people, or trying to escape from your responsibilities, or trying to escape from certain situations, circumstances. And this card stands for that emotional experience that we face, that we have, and that memory and intelligence and that honest examination of the past, which will give rise to that awakening in ourselves and empathy and true intelligence and learning what we get through our experiences. So we need to be really grounded, ready to face any circumstance, any situation, rather than escaping from it or trying to escape from that situation. Maybe because we feel that it is really painful. So, today, maybe for some of you, you are in a particular circumstance, you are not willing to face the reality today, guys. Maybe it is time you have to take a serious outlook on life. So, you want yourself to be immune to that pain or sadness or stress, but only when you experience that pain, sadness, you will grow emotionally and spiritually, and you will be moving towards reality, and you will be moving towards a true meaningful connection in your life. So you need to be really grounded. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the story for you all with this first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Gretel. So this is the card for you all, guys. So this card means you have that courage to face any difficult situation in your life. So when you are up against a difficult circumstance, you have that courage and you do not want to you show your best when you are under pressure, great pressure, and you have proved again and again in your life that you are reliable for friends and family. So you work well as a team, guys. You work well with people, and you unite with people to work against maybe some common enemy or some common problem that you have, and you are very quick thinking, resourceful, and protective. So this may be your story, guys. So You help people, you influence them with your courage and confidence, your willpower, determination. And maybe people around you, it may be the younger generation, or it may be your siblings or children, or people younger to you, it may be your friends or people, colleagues in your career. You simply influence them with your courage and confidence, guys, to do well in life, be steadfast, be responsible to their duties or whatever responsibilities they have, and have that what to say, determination in your heart to endure anything that comes in your life and face any drastic situation. So maybe for some of you, you are under great pressure today, some kind of a difficult circumstance has come up, and you are bracing yourself to face that impact, guys, in your life. So you are courageous, you have that willpower, strength, and you do not have fear no matter what your situation is. And maybe sometimes we must let ourselves to experience that fear in its raw and in the most real way, to get that valor and ideas we need to implement to overcome that situation. So whatever dangers or whatever circumstances that you are afraid of, you need to face it with courage, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second fairy tale. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.